Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we're going to make some miso paste. We got some soybeans from last year's garden and some koji. Come along and let's get fermenting. Alright, the first step is we're going to rinse all our beans, get them nice and clean, and pick out any bad ones. We have about 1 cup of beans. We'll put our beans into a bowl and soak them in water overnight so we can cook them tomorrow. See you in the morning, beans. It's the next day. Our beans have been soaking for 24 hours. We're going to strain them out and start simmering them on the stove. We'll cook them on the stove until you can squish them between your fingers. It should take a couple hours. Alright, it's been a couple hours. Our beans are squishable. Time for the next step. We're going to strain our beans, but keep some of the cooking broth. We're going to use that in our mix. Some good flavor right there.
Now it's time to make the miso paste. We're going to put the koji in the blender, and then we're going to squish up the beans, put that in there, put the bean juice in there, and put some salt in there.
Time for some salt. We're going to mix up our koji real fine. Now we'll add our koji into the bean mix. Our last step is we'll add into some nice clean jars. Beautiful looking miso.
Here you go.
And there we have our miso. It's actually been 1.5 years since I've made this. I made about 3 small jam jars and I gave some away to friends. The beginning was pretty active and I had to burp it every so often. It settled down and the flavor's gotten much better with time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. We'll see you next time.
Daddy's recording.
No, not anymore. Oh, whoops, I am still recording. Stop.
Koji in the blender, and then we'll mix this up.
Quiet on set. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Go watch mommy.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Uh-oh, I lost a bean. 1.5 years, but it's worth it.